Hi, this is Siley from Siley's Art. Today's video is on tea light candle decoration. For today's tea light candle, I have used a jute rope. My rope is a bit thin, so I am using a card sheet circle below it. If your rope is thick, you will not need this paper. Use fevicol on the card sheet and stick the rope in the circular manner. Cover the whole card sheet. Now the card sheet circle size depends on how much you want your tea light candle holder to be. But the simple rope may look plain, so I have used colored threads which I already had. Keep going round and round the rope to make a pattern. The jute rope, the colored threads, everything you'll get in the stationery shop near you. Cover the whole circle with different color threads as you want. I have used red, green and blue. I will be uploading few more such decoration videos. So if you like to watch my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's continue. After you finish the jute plate, it will look like this. Now this plate can be used to keep your warm utensils on the tabletop. But we will decorate it for our tea light candle holder. I have this pack of artificial handmade flowers from bitsy, which I'll be using on the top. It has a stick below, so you won't need anything else. I will just use one. If you don't get such flowers, you can use any artificial flowers you'll get in the market. And if you want these flowers, I will link it in the description box below. Still, I want to decorate it more, so some round kundans. I am going to stick them as a border. Cover it completely and your tea light candle holder is ready. It's very simple to make but will look attractive. So do try something new this Diwali. You can even gift it to someone as a festival gift. I am coming with few more such simple ideas. So please do subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos. Thank you and have a great day.